Welcome to a new series where we explore how Loxone pioneers sustainability and energy management for a better future. In this episode, we're going to be looking at the power supply and backup and how to best use it within your systems. So, what are the main benefits of the power supply and backup? The very first one being that we have 7 individually monitored channels, which means that we can see the power draw of every single channel in real time. Then that can easily be integrated within the energy flow monitor. That's going to give you a nice visualization in the app, and we can decide what to do with that information within config later. Afterwards, we have the backup itself. So we can connect 3 12-volt batteries. That's going to give us a total input of 36 volts. And depending on the size of the battery, we can back up the system for half an hour, 1 hour, 10 hours, or even more. And because we also have monitoring over the state of charge of the battery, we can decide what to do at different percentages. So let's say we're now at 50% state of charge. We can drop the lights down, we can switch off the music, and that way we have backup for even longer. Thank you all very much for watching. If you'd like to see how this is done in practice, go to the documentation page on that topic. If you'd like to see more videos from Loxone, like, subscribe, and comment down below. And see you next week with a new video.